It's all about tamales, guys. My first tamales in the truck.
Hi, this is Ryan at One Fat Frog. I am here with Edgar and Joel. We are standing in front of Tamales Mexicanos. These guys brought in some tamales for us to try, and they were amazing. I think Roger got some footage of me actually taking my first bite in the face. Because I know tamales, and these are as authentic as I've ever had them here in the United States. So guys, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous wrap. Tell me, what's her name? Does she have a name?
Katrina.
Katrina.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. This is a very eye-catching design. This is basically for us watching it. It looks like a work of art that gives you food.
Well, the idea for putting this name is because it's a big tradition in Mexico. We're talking about Mexican tamales. We're talking about something real and very good flavors and everything. And we are set up in Fort Myers, Florida. And I want to say it is the best tamales in Southwest Florida.
You have my vote. This is a gorgeous trailer, amazing food. Thank you guys. How was your experience with One Fat Frog?
Well, very nice. Everybody over here helping us and do everything for us, and that's basically what we wanted, and we are very happy to have these results and our trailer. So that recommended One Frog.
One Fat Frog.
One Fat Frog. Yeah, we recommend it, and you know that they will be working with you guys too.
Thank you very much, guys. It's been an honor working on this for you. Thank you so much for bringing us food and letting us try.
No problem. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and Tamales Mexicanos Las Catrinas. And if you are in the Fort Myers area, Naples, Lehigh Acres, Cape Coral, give me a call and you know where we at.